Listen to me very carefully. If you want to touch generational wealth, you have to stop thinking like a retail consumer and start thinking like an industrial manufacturer. Every single second of every single day, millions of households across the globe are consuming high-volume, disposable sanitary products. They do not stop buying. The demand does not care about economic shifts or market downturns. Today, we are cracking wide open the blueprint for one of the most profitable, high-consumption automated assets on the planet. This is the complete, high-efficiency, fully automatic baby diaper manufacturing and packaging production line. We are completely bypassing the overpriced Western equipment brokers and giving you direct, factory-level alignment with the primary source of global supply. Let's break down the raw mechanical engineering specs driving this beast. This is a high-speed, full servo-driven industrial assembly matrix. We are talking about an elite mechanical output speed of 400 to 600 pieces per minute. Think about that volume. By the time you finish listening to this sentence, this line has already manufactured, cut, sealed, and packed hundreds of retail-ready units. This system handles multi-size production natively, allowing you to switch dynamically between small, medium, large, and extra-large profiles directly through the digital interface. The raw material architecture is flawless. The line integrates a massive double fluff core drum forming system with specialized long-fiber alloy saw blades capable of crushing 600 to 1,000 kilograms of pulp per hour. This guarantees an unmatched, highly absorbent core structure every single run. Every single layer of production is controlled by an advanced PLC automatic digital operating system integrated with a high-definition touchscreen human-machine interface. This gives your technicians complete graphic digitization control over tension alignment, raw material feeding, ultrasonic welding, and high-precision heat sealing units. The frontal tapes, leg cuffs, non-woven top sheets, and elastic waistbands are positioned using advanced servo cutting tracking. This ensures absolute precision, eliminates material misalignment, minimizes human margin of error, and completely slashes your daily operational overhead. But here's where the money is truly made, the automated end-to-end processing. This production line doesn't just manufacture the diaper, it handles the entire vertical workflow. The line automatically structures the 3D leak prevention channels, folds the chassis, executes the precise arc-shape cutting, and routes the finished diapers straight into the final automated packaging and arranging out units. You are importing a self-contained consumer goods factory that prints out retail-ready, market-dominant stock 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Stop playing around with small-scale e-commerce models with razor-thin margins. If you want to control a true, bulletproof industrial footprint, you buy directly from the manufacturing source and dominate the regional consumption network. We have secured direct factory pricing for this exact full-servo turnkey diaper production plant, completely protecting your startup capital from middleman markups. Check out the complete technical audit, review the equipment layout, and secure our direct procurement manual right now by clicking the link. Stop building someone else's dream. Build your own manufacturing empire today.